Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here. In today's video, I'm going to do a review of the bedroll straps from Bombproof Bushcraft. Stay with me. Hey everybody, like I said in the intro, we're going to do a review of the Bombproof Bushcraft bedroll straps. It is available at bombproofbushcraft.com. So go check that out. They got other stuff, knives, different camp gear, good for bushcrafting. A lot of it is, you can use it for reenacting if you go out and do the colonial reenacting or the mountain man rendezvous stuff. So that's the reason why I got this, is because it'll go either modern or old school colonial era stuff. So the buckles and stuff look aged. It's a real nice leather, got some stitching in there. I think the stitching's for decoration or to hold the leather, just keep it from fraying down. So 10 holes to make it adjustable. We'll start at the first hole from the end, just to show you how big it is. I had a military style wool blanket and a cowboy, what I call a cowboy blanket on it. So I am struggling here. I will leave that in the video. So anyways, there we go. So there it is at the biggest, or the first hole closest to the tip or the end of the belt. And we'll go to the last hole. They appear to be about 3/4 of an inch apart. I might be wrong. There's the smallest. I had it on, let's see, the 7th one from the end with my stuff. So she told me to waterproof it or make it water resistant, which I got to do that still. I like the fact that it can pass for colonial era stuff, mountain man rendezvous. So 100% leather, perfect. I don't have any way to strap it to my bag. It comes with these D-rings on here to do that. I just don't have anything on my bag to do it, so it's nothing to fault of this. I just tuck it underneath my top flap, holds it good, and my bedroll and stuff is not flopping around. I actually used to just tie it with 2 pieces of leather, which made it difficult to, it would come undone. So I'm really happy about the buckles. It's just a really thick piece of leather, or pieces of leather. It's 3 pieces. I would say that is probably about 1/8 of an inch thick, maybe a little bit more. Doubled over right there at the end. The ends are, looks like they're double and triple stitch going this way, double stitch going that way. You got a belt buckle. Belt buckles are nice. I like those, especially the old looking aspect of them. These are movable or adjustable, however you want to put it. So if you got it on your pack a certain way, you can move this, like where this is at the top. So you can adjust it that way and drop it off, and then it'll hang on your back like that. So yeah, I gotta waterproof it or make it water resistant. So it's a good piece of equipment. You can get this at bombproofbushcraft.com. They are $25 a piece. I can't remember what they're under. I don't know. I'll put a description, or I'll just put a link in the bottom directly to this, and I'll put a link to her, actually to her store also. So she's got knives and all kinds of stuff there. All kinds of primitive camping / bushcraft gear, so it's pretty good. So, yep. I don't know if I told you, but I met Madison Poole at, Madison Poole is the owner, operator of Bombproof Bushcraft, the YouTube channel, and the online website. Met her at the 2019 Dave Canterbury Pathfinder gathering. So she was working security there. So hung out with her and a couple other guys that were there for security. So had a lot of fun with them. They're really good people. Found out she had a YouTube channel. Decided to check it out. Started following her. She's got a lot of knowledge, so go check her out. Tell her Blue sent you, and just stop by, watch some of her videos. Give her a thumbs up and tell her Blue sent you, and you say hey. So hey everybody, that's all I got for this video right now. Go check that out. It's a good piece of equipment, not real expensive, but it's very high quality. For $25, I don't think you can beat a bedroll strap that would last you it's probably going to last me the rest of my life in doing what I do. So go check her out. Tell her Blue sent you. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Follow us along on the journey. And until next time, remember, enjoy the outside.